Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing the app and your system so audio can flow. This avoids dead ends later. Open Telegram Desktop, select the call or screen share button, and choose Share Screen with Audio. Then, make sure your operating system has granted Telegram microphone and system audio permissions. This is why sound can be blocked. Once done, confirm your default playback and recording devices match the ones you plan to use, and plug in or select your headset so Telegram captures the right input. Next, focus on routing so Telegram actually embeds system sound into the stream. Choose to share a specific window or the whole screen and check the Share Audio box. This tells Telegram to capture system output. Then, open Telegram settings and set both input and output to the device you're using. Mismatched devices cause silence. Also, go to your system sound mixer, raise Telegram's volume, and disable any exclusive mode that prevents other apps from hearing the audio, because conflicts are a common cause of failure. Finally, start the screen share and ask someone to confirm they hear audio. Real-time feedback speeds correction. If participants report silence, stop, toggle the share audio option off then on, and switch Telegram's input/output to the same device again. This forces a new capture session. When problems persist, restart Telegram or the computer, and test with a simple source like YouTube to isolate whether the issue is app-related or system level. If that fails, recheck OS permissions and exclusive mode settings one more time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.